vlogging. Well, anyway, we are stopped for tonight here in Santa Rosa, New Mexico. Husband drove almost 600 miles and we're going to take shower. Oh, the kiosk is right there. We're gonna swipe our shower card because we always have points if husband put fuel. This is the ticket. We have 10 showers, huh? 197. I'm gonna look for a shower room number 7 here, and then we're gonna put our passcode. Welcome to the shower room, guys. Welcome. So this is the inside of a shower room. It's not that big. I don't wanna separate another shower room, so yeah, husband and I share of one shower room. So we have it. There is an electric fan, blow dry, sink, and we have these towels. 2 body towels, floor towels, and 2 of face towel. You can request for additional towel, but I think if you are only alone or taking shower, that would be enough. So we have here a plastic chair, a trash can, toilet bowl, toilet paper. We have this here hand soap, and if you bring yours, then that would be okay. And this for you to hang anything like like my bag here or my short of my husband. Yeah. And of course there is a ventilation system. Yeah, you can adjust the shower to hot and cold. The body soap. We bring also slipper. Yes, pinaka-importante to sa akin, guys, slipper. We brought again ako cider vinegar. I like it. I like it for my hair. So I'm done, guys. If you wanna try to experience in a public shower, you have to go to the cashier and pay for the shower charge. I don't know how much. It depends. Not that much. Bring your own slipper. There is no free slipper here. That's recommended if you wanna experience to take a shower in a public places. I recommend go to a big fuel station like TA and Petro. Yeah. So see you guys later. Bye-bye. I'm back in the truck. Or if you have disability, guys, you can ask or request for a handicap shower room. They have that.